This is how you can make money with affiliate marketing without showing your face. Go to your Chrome browser and register with Digistore24. Log in and click on Marketplace. Then let's choose Medicinal Garden Kit. Click on Copy Promo Link to get the link you want to promote. The next step, go to Google site and create a website like this. Just go to ChatGPT and ask it to give you some content according to the offer you made and create a page like this. After creating that page, link it with your affiliate link like this one, Get Medicinal Garden Kit. After that, go to Canva and create some templates for your Pinterest. So after creating your Pinterest pin, make sure you create a Pinterest account according to your niche. So I've already created a pin just to show you and link it to the website because you cannot link direct to the affiliate offer. So click place your pin and make sure you enter the keywords. So when someone search for this and they find it, they will visit and they will be directed to my website where I give some tips on gardening. And when someone click on Medicinal Garden Kit, they are directed to the offer. And that's how I make my money with affiliate marketing without showing my face.